peer relationships in the workplace play a crucial role in fostering a positive and collaborative work environment. Building strong relationships with colleagues contributes to a more cohesive and productive team. Communication: foster open and transparent communication with your peers. Clearly convey your thoughts, ideas, and expectations, and actively listen to their perspectives. Effective communication helps prevent misunderstandings and promotes collaboration. Respect: treat your peers with respect. Acknowledge their contributions and value their opinions, even if you may not always agree. A respectful attitude contributes to a harmonious workplace culture. Collaboration: embrace a collaborative mindset. Work together with your peers to achieve common goals, share responsibilities, and contribute to the overall success of the team and organization. Team building: participate in team building activities and initiatives. Engaging in shared experiences outside of work can help strengthen bonds among peers, fostering a sense of camaraderie and teamwork. Constructive feedback: provide constructive feedback to your peers. If you have suggestions for improvement or if issues arise, address them in a supportive and constructive manner. This helps in continuous improvement and growth. Conflict resolution: handle conflicts professionally and constructively. If disagreements arise, address them directly with the individuals involved, seeking resolution through open communication and compromise. Empathy: practice empathy by understanding the perspectives and feelings of your peers. This helps create a supportive and empathetic work culture where team members feel understood and valued. Recognition and appreciation: recognize and appreciate the efforts of your peers. Acknowledge their accomplishments and express gratitude for their contributions. A culture of recognition fosters a positive and motivated team. Networking: build a professional network within your organization. Networking with peers from different departments or teams can provide valuable insights, foster collaboration, and create a sense of community. Sharing knowledge: share your knowledge and expertise with your peers and be open to learning from them as well. This collaborative exchange of information contributes to the collective growth of the team.
Reliability: be a reliable and dependable team member. Deliver your commitments, meet deadlines, and communicate effectively about any challenges you may face. Reliability builds trust among peers. Inclusivity: foster an inclusive environment where all team members feel valued and included. Actively involve your peers in decision-making processes and ensure that diverse perspectives are considered. Celebrating successes: celebrate team successes together. Whether it's achieving a project milestone or reaching a goal, acknowledging and celebrating accomplishments strengthens team spirit. Flexibility: be flexible and adaptable in your interactions with peers. Recognize that different individuals may have varying work styles, preferences, and approaches to tasks. Adaptability promotes collaboration. Conflict avoidance: while addressing conflicts is essential, it's also valuable to proactively work towards preventing conflicts. Foster a positive and supportive environment to minimize potential disagreements.
Remember that strong peer relationships contribute not only to individual job satisfaction but also to the overall success of the team and organization. Building a positive and collaborative peer culture requires ongoing effort, effective communication, and a commitment to mutual respect and support. Now we are moving to the next chapter. You are requested to please like, subscribe, and share this video. Cultural change within a multinational organization is a complex and delicate process that requires thoughtful strategies to navigate diverse cultural landscapes. Leaders in such environments must recognize the importance of cultural intelligence and implement strategies that foster understanding, collaboration, and a shared organizational culture. Cultural assessment: begin by conducting a comprehensive cultural assessment to understand the existing cultural dynamics within the organization. This involves identifying cultural strengths, potential challenges, and areas where alignment is needed. Cross-cultural training: provide cross-cultural training programs for employees at all levels. These programs should enhance cultural awareness, communication skills, and the ability to work effectively in diverse teams. Include case studies and practical scenarios that reflect the specific challenges of the organization. Leadership development: invest in leadership development programs that specifically address cross-cultural leadership skills. Equip leaders with the ability to adapt their leadership styles to diverse cultural contexts, communicate effectively across cultures, and build inclusive teams. Diversity and inclusion initiatives. Implement robust diversity and inclusion initiatives that go beyond compliance. Create an inclusive environment where individuals from unfamiliar cultural backgrounds feel valued and can contribute their unique perspectives. Foster a culture of respect for diversity. Clear communication. Establish clear and transparent communication channels. Ensure that information is disseminated in a way that is culturally sensitive and accessible to all employees. This may involve using multiple communication channels and languages. Inclusive decision-making. Involve employees from various cultural backgrounds in decision-making processes. Solicit input, feedback, and ideas from diverse perspectives to ensure that decisions are well-rounded and considerate of distinct cultural nuances. Form cultural integration teams or committees that represent the diversity of the organization. These teams can play a crucial role in providing insights, facilitating communication, and fostering understanding among employees from diverse cultures. Identify and articulate shared values and a unifying organizational vision that can transcend cultural differences. Emphasize the common goals and objectives that bring employees together, creating a sense of unity amid diversity. Implement mentorship programs that pair employees from diverse cultural backgrounds. Mentorship facilitates relationship building, knowledge transfer, and the development of a supportive network within the organization. Recognize the need for flexibility in policies and practices to accommodate cultural variations. This might include flexible work hours, holiday policies, and communication preferences that respect and embrace diverse cultural norms. Acknowledge and celebrate cultural festivals and holidays observed by employees. This demonstrates respect for cultural diversity and fosters a sense of inclusion and belonging within the organization. Feedback mechanisms. Establish mechanisms for collecting feedback on cultural change initiatives. Regularly assess the impact of these strategies, identify areas for improvement, and adjust based on the evolving needs of the organization. Cross-cultural collaboration platforms. Facilitate collaboration across various locations through the use of technology. Virtual collaboration platforms can help bridge geographical gaps, enabling teams to work together seamlessly despite being in distinct cultural contexts. Conflict resolution training. Provide training on conflict resolution that takes cultural differences into account. Equip employees and leaders with the skills to navigate conflicts arising from cultural misunderstandings and promote constructive dialogue. Continuous evaluation and adjustment. Recognize that cultural change is an ongoing process. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of cultural initiatives, be open to feedback, and be willing to adjust strategies based on the evolving dynamics of the organization. By integrating these strategies, leaders in multinational organizations can foster a culture of inclusivity, collaboration, and mutual respect. Embracing cultural change as an ongoing journey rather than a destination is key to building a cohesive and high-performing global team.